Hey all, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will be talking about how AI is changing and how the use of AI is changing for us. So in the beginning, when it's first released, I think it was 3 years ago, we were mainly using as chat or chatbot, like ChatGPT. We are asking questions and getting the answers. And nowadays, it's started to integrate it into the tools that we are using. Like for these videos, for example, I was using an editor which has AI editing features. It was the program called Descript, but it was only working on the PCs, it was not mobile. And right now, even I can record this video on my phone and I can edit with AI with an app called Captions, and this is already integrated. And it's the same for the emails. Normally, we were just copying and pasting the emails and trying to write or draft an answer on ChatGPT, but now I'm using an app called Superhuman. It's already integrated with AI. It reads my email, it drafts the response, and it's ready. It's also summarized these emails, so it's already integrated to the tools. And now, especially this year, with Claude, we are able to integrate all the tools to Claude, and it can give us integrated responses. Like I can get daily morning briefs. Claude can check my emails, calendar, Slack, and other channels, and it can create me a draft or daily briefing in the beginning of the day. So integrating tools are really useful. Just as a note, please do not use it in your work emails or in your work environment if your company is not allowing. So in my company, in my workplace, we are using only the tool developed by our company, which is Fuel IX. So I'm not using it for the work purposes. I'm using only for my personal work. And there is a huge discussion right now if you should use ChatGPT or Claude. In my personal opinion, if you can keep it both and try to use it both of them for different use cases. For example, I'm using ChatGPT for voice journaling. I'm doing journaling like this one, without recording video, in the mornings and in the evenings. And the voice feature in the mobile app is much better than Claude. And also for strategical things like discussions or like working on a strategy, I find ChatGPT is a bit better. Claude is a bit more direct. And I think on the editing and writing part, and for most of the things, let's say 60 or 70% of the things, Claude is much better. But for other things, you can use both. And if you are going to just pay one subscription for an AI tool, then I suggest to use Claude because it has too many other features. And basically, I will explain quickly. It has Claude Code if you're doing, or if you want to just write a software or app or website. And it has very important documents or parts. It's called skills. So you can upload generic documents. So for example, I have an anti-AI slop skill. So whenever I ask to edit or write something, Claude checks these files and then edit the answer or the output based on the skill file. So this is really important. You can use the skills. And there is also Cowork. It works on your computer's desktop folders or files. And it works without you. So if you do something like an Excel file or any document that you want to use in the folder, it can use that. And it has also like chat part and browser extension, so it can scrape the websites for you, open the links or fill the forms, etc. There are so many other features, and as I said, the integration part is great. You can use with other tools. For example, for posting LinkedIn post, I can directly use Claude, and without copying and pasting, I can post, or I can write and post a LinkedIn post directly on Claude, which was not possible a few years ago. And I'm using Lead Shark extension for that. If you are interested, you can create and automate lead magnets with that as well. And thank you so much for watching the second video. I will be talking about another topic tomorrow. See you. Bye-bye.